so I'm not trying to go too high. But let's see. Let's look at a couple different quality of put it. So right here, let's like this. It's not compound joint. Not really close to it. It's like oh, got wet. It's like a moldy, like so that was something I was dealing with. And then here it's like pretty janky, right? And then let me see what's happening. I changed the line out, but this has just been peeling. And I have pictures from before, but they didn't want to come and fix it, so I don't even know what I'm doing. I do know what I'm doing, but so what I'm trying to do is just get it to here so I can take a bath again. I had to change this out, and then this fell off, so I got this one with the new cap. And then so over here this was rotted out. I patched that, so painted, putting a coat on it. That's their work up there. And then that's the ceiling patch. Big deal. It's not so big deal, but is this I know it's not the code or whatever, I mean, I'm trying to complain, but this is the wall meets the shower pad or the shower, whatever you want to call it, enclosure. And it just doesn't seem that it's right. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying, like, this doesn't seem like it's a I don't even know what it would seem like. So it just doesn't seem like, I don't even know what it was. This is cold right here. That's not even so the idea is to keep it from getting damaged, right? So obviously this is